So, hi guys, welcome to Matangi Tarot Healing. So, just trust the process, okay? Trust the process. Do not think that much. You are really worried right now, and like so many questions are running through in your mind, and you want to know everything. So, your angels are saying that you don't need to know everything, okay? But of course, I can see you are very scared, very like insecure, and you are like that. I do not want to make any mistake. So see, I think I will say just see your process, your journey. आप अपनी आप अपनी इस पास्ट जर्नी को रिकॉल करो. Just look at yourself on your past journey. You were like you know I think you were in that many emotions were you were going through so many emotions, overthinking, illusion, that thinking that I am imagining it is wrong, and if it is wrong, why I thought about it, because you carried that that imagination for a very very long time. And if it is wrong, that why I am not able to believe it, why I'm still living in that world, because I can't see into my reality. You were doubting yourself that what to do now. I have done everything to make it real. I'd fight for it and still fighting for it, carrying those fight with me. I give so much time. What now? What is next? You just wanted to be loved, wanted to be listened, understood, want to talk someone, just want to rely on someone. Or maybe I think now this time you are not able to sleep also right now, and you were in that process in your life that I have done everything. What can I do? Now I just want to rest, because now you are in that energy that you do not want to beg, you don't want to chase things. Okay, it took you a while to get here. आप अपने पास्ट को प्रेजेंट को कंपेयर करोगे तो you will see it took you a while to get here. It was a very very long journey, you know. It was very very long journey. You literally, I can see that you literally had gone through so much in your life. The magician, the core energy, I can see that you had to go through all of those process to today you are whatever you are, to be in that vibration, to be that version of yourself. You were tired, scared, because you were starting the new journey. No one have taken it. Scared to lost yourself, but still curious. Think you are alone, and you've been alone, and you were thinking that I will not be able to make it. Like so, you have gone through so many things: darkness, alone, loneliness, betrayed, and yes, so many emotions, spiritually, mentally, physically. You have gone through so much in your life. I can also if your physical health also very bad those past years. You were like you bounded in some kind of thread. You don't know that I will able to out of it not. You were stuck, and you were waiting for someone to come out, like to make you come out of the situation, but no one came. So you literally fought for that. So the angels are saying that seeing yourself from the past journey, because now you are literally very scared and very confused, because you want to know everything. क्या आपको पास्ट में भी सब कुछ पता था? नहीं, you didn't know everything in your past also. नहीं पता था, but you still went through all of those things, and still were standing on your ground. You were fighter, and you are still fighter, but after the fighting mode, you are in the magician mode. But to came into that fighting mode to magician whatever अब मुझसे बोलेगा नहीं. Magician, हाँ, magician mode. You really had to gone no all through those things. You literally for this warrior, you literally like had to challenge your. You literally had to gone through on your childhood. Your childhood also like very traumatic. So this time they are saying that just the process because right now you are in that vibration in the receiving vibration because after so much fight after losing so much hard work, your kind nature, very kind nature, very soft person, you became that person. So you do not need to know everything. Right now, whatever you are doing, keep doing like this because in the past, with that soft heart, sensitive nature, very kind heart, you have gone through all of those things, but still you were like very nice person. आपने अपने आप को चेंज नहीं किया, अपने आप को नेचर को चेंज नहीं किया because of circumstances. तो like angels are also still saying that don't इतना मत सोचो, do not think about so much about so many things. Okay, just keep going. That however you are taking your step, small step, thinking 10 times to do anything. Okay, लेकिन take step. Okay, just take step to move forward in your life because really good things are coming into life because you are in that mode in your life that you can get everything. You are in that vibration of your life. If you say universe I want this and you're going to get this vibration also like I'm getting this that whatever you asked in your life in your past life you're going to do everything in a one speed because you are in that vibration you're just like ordering the universe that I am having this because I deserve it, I'm worth it. You're living that another that you have everything. Okay, it's also like say that you had gone through so much. You are a point of your new journey. Yes, that's why it's carrying you. Okay? You don't need to know everything, just keep going. This was, of course, not an easy journey. It is a big achievement that you got there from the inside. And firstly, inside एक बार changes हो जाए, no one can stop you. Okay, we have fun. You are literally, I think, black sheep of your family. You are a protector. You are a healer in your family. You are a fighter in your family, and you fought for it. Oh my God! Such I think I can like when I was reading those cards, I also choked, got very emotional that you had went through so much things in your life. Like I can see from the Eight of Cups that you were alone. Oh my God, you were alone that you didn't know that where are you going and just alone. उस path में आप बिल्कुल अकेले थे. And because you were protector, you are a family, you are a healer, your family. You are came here to protect those like family, your black sheep of your family. You're a very soft-hearted person. God made you soft-hearted person to like break this cycle. Okay. And two of swords also. Knight of cups. You were in the past in those past life you were like believe in everything, believe in everything. Like okay that whatever people say, okay I will do this. I'm always ready to fight for them. I think by the time you also get to know their nature also. It was like that you were playing the game and you didn't know that I'm going to win and I'm going to lose. And because जिनसे आप with जिनके संग आप लाइक गेम में थे, आप गेम खेल रहे थे, उस प्रोसेस में सारे में थे आप, आपको इनफैक्ट यू जस्ट डिडंट नो दैट हु इज ऑन माय साइड एंड हु इज नॉट. ओके, so that also been your journey, that you don't know that where are you going. So you really had went through so much things. So now at the point of your life, just like just keep going, because only good things are going to happen with the good soul. Only good things happen, because after this so much achievement, I can see very down to earth nature, very angelic vibe. I can also sense from you. So just don't think that much, just keep going, trust the process. Okay, just take the small step, baby step, aware about everything, do not believe in everyone. And now if you now when you are playing this game, choose wisely that who is on your side and who is your not. Okay, because everything is now in your hand. It is up to you that who you are going to allow in your life or not. Okay, so yeah, this is all I have for you. I hope it helped you. Okay, so take care of yourself and all the best.